you guys. All right, so yesterday we decided to have a meeting with our team. I onboarded a couple of new people, we had on board, and man, I'm telling you, these last couple of weeks have been really crazy for our company. So the purpose of this video is just to tell you guys how important it is to hold those meetings. Whenever I held meetings with my team, they go really great. Everybody can get on one accord. Everybody can get a better understanding, and let alone, the team gets to meet each other. And everybody can meet each other, mingle, and we can really get to know one another. And yeah, I mean, it's great. I remember back in the day when I didn't do team meetings, and I compare those days back then to right now. Man, major difference when you start implementing and having these meetings, man. They really make a difference in your company, man. So on this video, I'm going to be bringing you guys in on my meeting. All right, so I can let you get to see a little inside of the meeting, some of the things that we like to address, our pain points, and how we can improve our pain points. And we don't only focus on the bad, we focus on the good as well. I like to empower my team. I like to hire contractors, and I like to uplift my contractors and just let them know any accounts that we don't want, we pass them down to our smaller contractors. Man, it's like we're really, really a family. We're really aligned over here, man. So check out the video. I'm gonna bring you guys in on my world, on my morning meeting with my team. Check it out. They have pets in these units, okay? And the pet hair will get on the floor, and get on the carpets, and get on the sofa. If someone has a cat, dog, or whatever, and if you have the proper vacuum, you can get it up. Okay, so that's one of the main reasons why he wants us to use that here. Not only that, but a lot of cleaners aren't checking the drawers when they clean this unit. Any of you ever cleaned this unit before? Oh, just you? Yep, both you guys? Okay. So we have to check the drawers because we noticed that the guests may leave trash bags in there. They might leave stuff in, and then the other guests prior may find the trash bags. They might find dirty spoons inside the drawers. So it's important that we check, it's an easy clean, so you got enough time to kind of check all the drawers, make sure there's no crumbs, no cookies, the babies didn't put their toys in underneath the sink, that type of thing. Not only that, but we have to make sure that it's 8 coffees in here, as well as 8 cocos. Just 8. And I don't know if you guys know or not, but there's a door outside where we keep all of our stuff. We keep all, you can stock up your tissues, your paper towels, your coffee. The door is right outside the utility closet. It's right outside, okay? Not only that, but we have been finding a lot of stuff inside of these beds. Some of our housekeepers, I don't know whether they're popping sheets or whatever, but there has been stains in the sheets when they check in, okay? Like intimacy type stains in the sheets that they're finding. In this right here. So we're like, for the most part, the linen will be made for you. EIN number is like your social security number for your business. Okay? Because all of you guys are contractors, right? So EIN number, just like your social security number for your business. It's the number that's going to follow you throughout your whole entrepreneurial journey. LLC is not a business license, by the way. It only is an entity. It separates you from your business. That's all an LLC does. It protects your assets. So let's say you own a car, a house, or whatever, and somebody wants to sue your company. They only can sue your company, they can't sue you. I gotta get all of you guys familiar with Slack and with ClockShark, because those are our main 2 apps that we use.
So, when you on the part, they said attach the files. Do you upload the pictures there and on Slack?
No, you want to upload your pictures to Slack.
Okay.
Now, ClockShark is what you use to come to your location and clock in.
I just seen where it was saying I could attach them, so I didn't know if I should.
I mean, you could, but we don't
Just
check
don't-
the attachments. What we usually do is we will attach stuff for you to see, right?
Okay.
But Slack is like our communication app where everybody can see. So my quality control person, right? So when he come in here to take pictures, he'll upload it to Slack and tag you. You would have the chance to either go back and make corrections, or if you can't go back, then someone else would have to make the corrections. And if you strive for excellence, then that you're going to take that same attitude and onto your own business. I wanted you to walk through the house and show them everything, like inside of the closet, the stuff that you were showing us last time. I want them to get that vision. Okay.
Alright, so we can just start in the kitchen area. Alright, so in the kitchen, the sink needs to be cleaned with the chrome. Some people use, I don't know, the same stuff they use to clean the refrigerators with, but you gotta use plaster. Like plaster to clean it, that way you leave no streaks. This. Empty that out, and no water in the coffee maker. And if you need like coffee or anything like that, everything is in this back storage right here. Some of y'all been here, but I don't remember seeing some of y'all been here. Everything you'll need, like the laundry, the linen, everything will be in this storage back here. I'll show you how the storage in a minute. Like with the glasses and stuff like that. If you see like any glasses that you take out the dishwasher that are cracked or anything like that, just sit them to the side. Where people eat. Like we have a lot of kids here and stuff like that. So there'll be like a lot of dirt and stuff like on this table, like all over the whatever it is, island, whatever. So just make sure like you don't have to do it every single time, but that's just something to look for. Like everything I'm telling you, sometimes you gotta do it every single time, but some stuff is just like, let me check real quick. All right, there's nothing there. Let me move on. Check all the drawers first. Check all the drawers, open all the drawers. Sometimes they leave, grocery bags, paper bags, food, whatever. So if you don't want it, throw it away. Because I'm just throw it away anyway, unless I want it. And that goes the same thing with the refrigerator. They leave like water, milk, anything like that.
Ice,
Bags of ice, yeah. Bags of ice, stuff like that.
eggs.
Yeah, if you don't want it, throw it away. Make sure you check the dishwasher. Because, sometimes people leave dishes in the dishwasher or they don't even know that it's a dishwasher or there's dishes in the dishwasher. With this specific unit and then that unit next door, the windows, because there's like, stuff on the windows. Some of it's on the outside, but most of it's on the inside too. So just make sure you like I said, that's something that you don't have to do every single time. Just if you when you clean the sink, check that. That's it. And then with the trash can, well, not really this unit. Well, yeah, not really this unit, but there'll be like trash like on the bottom, of the trash can. Even like if it's trash in there, just just get it out, because at the end of the day, you want to think of it as you coming in to Airbnb. You don't want to come in and see trash all over, in the trash can or like street. You want it to be as fresh as possible.
Like this where, if it's one person that's always complaining and they're always complaining or whatever about something, then okay. But this has been a problem with like everybody complaining about the same property going back. And it's like even my A player, Allison, Allison never complains about anything. She was like, these people,
They wanted me to take my stepladder outside and put it in the bushes that came up to the window to clean the outside. I did, but it wasn't.
It was brought to my attention that they're actually asking us to do stuff that they're not paying us to do. Okay, and what we're gonna do is either one or two things. know, we do give our smaller companies the chance to want to bid on it if you would like. But there are several, we give contracts away all the time. And a lot of times when we give them away, it might be one reason is it doesn't make any sense for me to keep them if it's too small. Like the little office that I was telling you about, that I'll be turning over to you because, you know, it doesn't make no sense. But I'll give that to you and that'll be your first one. And in a situation like this where it's just a damn headache and I don't want to deal with it. And you know, and if somebody else say, hey, I want to go make that money, I'll go deal with the headache, go ahead and deal with it.
Like Riverwalk, my lord.
Oh, we got rid of it. That's another one. Somebody wants them, they be all my
Lord, every time I show up, they didn't have nothing ready. Be trash in there, maggots in the refrigerator. I mean, maintenance would actually say it was ready.
Right.
So they really had no communication. So when I show up there, man, it'd be bad. I mean, he in the floor like this.
It was bad. And then they don't want to pay us what we're worth to do that. When we upcharge them, they're like, oh God, what? All she gotta do is just know, how about you go in there?
That's what she told me. They just go in there and do.
All right, you guys, so that was my video. What did you guys think about and I wanted to bring you guys in on our company meeting, you know, just little snippets of things that we talk about, our concerns, and just so y'all can get an insight of my world, okay? And I want all of my inspiring cleaning business owners out there to know that a team is only going to be as strong as the leader. So if your cleaning company is lacking, it's not moving, you have cleaners that are unmotivated, and it's just in shambles, you need to take a look at you first, okay? I had to do some self-development, and whenever I feel uneasy, whenever I feel like things are just not going so right, and I'm hiring the wrong people, and everybody's not aligned, I have to do some self-development and fix myself first so that I can be able to go out there and empower my team, okay? So these are lessons that I learned. As I learn, I give to my channel, okay? I'm Miss Johnson. I'm out of here. Until next time, bye-bye.